Road Safety and Mobility for the Blind, project implemented by National Association for the Blind, Delhi, with the support of Goodyear. India, a country of over 1.25 billion people, one of world's most progressive and fast-growing nation, unfortunately, is also home to maximum number of visually impaired persons. According to the World Health Organization figures, of the 37 million persons who are blind, 15 million are in India. Blind and low vision persons are one of the most vulnerable sections of our society when it comes to mobility on roads. Most visually impaired fear traveling alone, and this has deep impact on their education and employment prospects. With the sustained and consistent efforts of NGOs like National Association for the Blind, NAB Delhi, thankfully, mobility training for the blind is now a well-established concept, and several technological aids are available to make visually impaired travel safely and confidently. Established in 1979, National Association for Blind Delhi is a prominent NGO that strives to make visually impaired independent and self-reliant through quality education and innovative trainings. National Association for the Blind is a recipient of many prestigious national and international awards for excellence in their work. Under the able guidance of Mr. Prashant Verma, General Secretary, who is an accessibility and assistive technology expert, the National Association for the Blind Delhi conceived the Road Safety and Mobility Project to train over 500 persons with blindness and low vision in the age group of 12 to 50 years for safe travels on the road. The training included independent movement in indoor environments, walking on the footpath, boarding a bus, using the cab services, using the metro trains, crossing roads, finding traffic information, getting navigation guidance using GPS, etc. Mukul, student.
मोबिलिटी ट्रेनिंग जैसे कि इंडोर मोबिलिटी ट्रेनिंग, आउटडोर मोबिलिटी ट्रेनिंग, यूटिलिटी ऑफ द वाइट केन, इन सब की मदद से मैं काफ़ी हद तक अपना आना जाने का काम और अपना डेली रूटीन का काम करने में सक्षम हूँ।
निशा, स्टूडेंट।
ये मोबिलिटी सीखने के बाद बाहर से कैसे आना जाना है तो मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल इससे बढ़ रहा है, तो मैं आगे सीखना भी चाहूँगी और सीख भी रही हूँ।
Mostly from economically weaker sections of the society, the beneficiaries are from different states of North and Eastern India. The beneficiaries also include blind persons from different hostels in Delhi NCR region, as well as others who are pursuing higher education or different jobs. 100 beneficiaries are now equipped with a smart cane device developed by IIT Delhi and Saksham. The device warns the blind persons of obstacles in front using vibrations. The mobility and safety of blind girls is a big concern. They need to be trained, equipped and made confident for independent travel. So, thanks to Goodyear, 50 needy girls have been provided with a smartphone loaded with GPS and SOS apps so that they are always aware of their geographic location and can seek help when in danger. We would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude towards the management of Goodyear South Asia Tyres Private Limited for all the support provided in making this project a success. We are happy to realize that the beneficiaries will now be able to go to schools, colleges, offices with more confidence and with more safety. Blind girls will be more mobile and will come out of isolation to pursue their education or join the workforce. And last but certainly not the least, the newly acquired independence in mobility will open up new avenues of education or employment for many beneficiaries. For more information, visit www.nabdelhi.in.